Hello everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas live trading room recap for Thursday, October the 15th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is the link for the free room. Yes, it is a free room, 100% free. You do not have to be a subscriber to Trade Ideas to be in our trading room. Room is open Mondays to Fridays between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I share my screen and I'm live on the mic. In the email you're getting, you will see a link to my home page. On my homepage, you'll see a subscription link with a promo code. You'll see links for our webinars, for the trade of the week, and other training videos. So it's a good link to maybe save, and you can take, especially the training, you can take a look at all that later on. Well, I have to admit today was a very quiet day for me compared to yesterday. I should actually take a look. You know, this is the short that I took yesterday, CYCN, and man, oh man. I know I do this video usually around 1 o'clock, and look at it, just kept going down, 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 down. This was an alert from the AI, still moving down today. So that was just a tremendous alert from the AI. AI not so good today. I mean, in fact, there's only really one that's up. So it's kind of a very quiet day, only about 6 trades. Now, I ended up taking this one early, this cars, and just goes to show, you know, I mean, you read the news and you think, okay, well, this has got some substance to it. So this is the deal on cars. First of all, they had a couple of upgrades from analysts, putting a $12 price target. But they also released sort of a pre-release of their earnings. Their official earnings are not until November the 4th. And so they kind of pre-released to get a hint of what's going to happen. And so with the 2 analyst upgrades, so you can see right there, excuse me, this is the excuse me, the pink area here is the pre-market. So it looked really good. So I ended up taking this trade, what was that, 967. Ended up taking it, you know, it was sort of chopping around that first 15. Ended up taking the trade at 967. I sold some right at, I think it was 984. I always usually do that just in case it can't, I mean, I'm always paranoid about stocks, especially trying to break through like a whole number like 10. You know, it's a psychological number to get through. So luckily, I took quite a bit actually off at 984, thinking that, you know, if it got through 10, it could always add back. But then it started doing this, and I said, you know what, I don't like the way it's trading. So I got out for a minor gain on what I held, and then it just collapsed. I mean, it got all the way back down to 894. Very strange action. You know, the hype about, you know, a $12 price target, a couple of analyst upgrades, and the reaction initially to their earnings just absolutely did not sustain. And but you know, that's why though you have to have a stop. I did not get stubborn and think, it'll come back, and you know, I'll ride it all the way down below $9. So it didn't hurt me, but it was just, I thought it was sort of interesting. You know, this bar right there was, you know, I thought it was just totally out of character. And then this bar, I mean, remember, this is red, and this was red all the way down there too. So these were 2 giant red candles right after this nice move up. Anyway, the SPY, he was mentioning the SPY has been very choppy, probably one of the choppier days that we've seen in a while. So of course, there is the pre-market. The SPY is down, the whole market's down. Market is still, actually it's come back a bit. I mean, I see the Dow, I think at one point was down about 300. It's only down 100 right now. But there was the move. It had a pop, move back down, pop, move back down. And now it remains to be seen if this can hold, or is it going to continue down afterwards. But this is a very choppy day, difficult to trade. You know, you'd like to see a bit more of a trend, even though we are looking at alpha stocks that more or less trade on their own. But, you know, the market's a little bit nervous right now. So even those stocks that, you know, kind of trade on their own, I saw a lot of action like this too. So anyway, that's about it. That's a kind of a very quiet day for me. And but you never know in the afternoon, especially if this starts to really rally. We could get some really nice bounce plays. So that's when I'm going to cross my fingers and hope that we do get some great bounce plays on a market that is maybe rallying into the close. All right, everybody, that's it for me today. Just want to bring back the capture program. If you have any questions for me, you can use this email address, the link to the free room, and I will open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.